I'm about to film, but this kiddo suffer papansin ng 10 p.m. May lang. For tonight's video, magme-makeup ako. Hi! Psychies! Ayan, so mag-makeup ako. Try ko mag-film dito kahit parang medyo nalalabuan ako sa camera ng laptop. I'm going to show you my nails. So, I did this last night. Wrap time! So, I'm going to use this Get Ready With Me in this shade Manhattan. So, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko na lip balm. So, bago ko mag-makeup, bago matulog, bago matulog, minsan, ayan ang ginagamit ko. Kasi nakaka-smooth, hydrate siya ng aking lips. Huwag kayong masyadong ma-intimidate sa pagka-red color niya. Kasi, yan na siya, very sheer. Next, my moisturizer from Ever Organics. And ayan siya. Before mag-apply ng makeup. Nagsisilip si baby. Hihintayan ko muna siya mag-dry. Kaya naisipan ko mag-ganito-ganito. Dahil may expired na tong binili kong mattifying skin tint from Fresh. So, last year ko to binili and 2026, expired na siya. So, dapat na siyang magamit. At ito, kakabili ko lang nito actually nung warehouse sale. And, yeah. That's all. May binili talaga ako nito, pero yung shade niya, vanilla, which is yung lighter one. Pero, bibigay ko na siya sa ate ko. So, ito, binuksan ko to. Bago to, actually, hindi ko muna dapat to o-open. Next year na sana. Tapos nakita ko, 2026. So, kailangan na siyang ma-ovos. Ganda pa naman ng coverage nito. Napadami ata ako. I will going to use my brush to blend. Ganitohin na lang and apply it on my neck. Hindi siya masyado malagkit. I'm going to use this puff. I'm going to use this parang lighter tone ng concealer. So, in the shade Vanilla. But, let's see how it works. Actually, ang concealer naman is much lighter dapat sa shade, pero I think this way is too much lighter. Favorite shape ko, itong brush na to, favorite ko siya. Because look, yung angle niya, it's perfect for blending your under eyes. Actually, yung concealer, even na mag-dry out siya, hindi siya yung nagsisettle sa area ng face. Kasi kaya tinamad na ako mag-film sa cellphone ko, laging full storage, hindi na ako nakakapag-video. Kaya na-stop na ang pagbibideo. Laging full storage si ate mo, girl. May makeup, I give time para mag-blend. Let's move on with my contour. So, I'm going to use in the shade Espresso. So, actually, hindi ako masyadong marunong magaganito. Lately ko lang siya nagustuhan, pero most of the time, which is wrong, na hindi ka pala nagaganito. Sa mga beginner makeup, it's a very must-have na maggamit kayo ng ganyan. It's because it's the good for your health. Good for the skin, good for your soul, good for your makeup. And hayaan nyo muna yan. Huwag kayong masyadong mabahala. Dahil nag-uumpisa pa lang tayo. Actually, circular motion. Linaw, tignan mo labo. Sarap gamitin ng sponge sa face. This is my favorite. And next, for the powder, I'm done with the brows. Alam ko nabibigyan ng justice ng camera, but it's okay. I'm going to use this palette from Squad. One of my favorite contour and blush in the shade On The Go. So, binasag na to na magaling kong anak. So, I'm going to use this highlighter, the blush, bahala na. And also, I'm going to use this blush. Liquid illuminator siya. Pero may color. So, ito yung gagamitin ko. Ayan. Let's press it. Ayan, may product na lumabas. So, let's... Ayan. Ganda siya. In fairness. So, ay, ang ganda niya. And ito yung powder na gagamitin ko. From Fresh K-Beauty Love. Ganyan na lang. Ito na yung time na gagamitin natin siya. Gagamitin ko pointer brush. So, let's use it.
Sakit naman. Bawal sa bulot.
Mag-mascara kasi dito lang naman ako. But,
Hindi, hindi. Bawal.
time for the lips. Remove
Sabi niya na yun.
lip liner from Get Ready With Me. Hindi kumpleto ang lips ng walang lip liner daw.
Tulis ko kasi po na dali.
Use the lighter one, which is the shade Muffin. Ang ganda ng formula nito. I super love the formulation. It's good. Ooh. Pang brown or brown makeup look. So, let's try to put tiramisu. Tiramisu cake. Tiramisu cakes. But, hindi ko alam kung wala ba yung dap. Ano nito? Makalat siya. I will put lang in the middle. Actually, this 215 coffee na lip liner, and then this one, magka-match magka-match sila ng shade. It's good. So that's basically it. Ito, hindi ko alam anong look to kasi it's very random. Pero sa nakikita ko because of my lips. Ay! What if try natin lagyan? Very matte na tong lip ko. So, why not try naman natin i-apply yung malay nyo, gusto nyo. Here's the gloss. Here's the matte.